Welcome to a Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download Instagram stories. So let's get started. Step 1. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Now, go to the story you want to download. Once the story is open, look at the bottom right corner, you'll see the share icon. Tap on that. Step 2. Here, you'll find an option, copy link. Tap on it to copy the story's link. Step 3. Now open the Chrome browser on your phone. In the search bar, type Instagram Story Downloader. You'll see several websites that let you download stories. You can choose any one of them. I'm going to open this particular site here. Step 4. Once the website opens, you'll see a box at the top of the page. Paste the link you just copied into that box. Once you paste the link, the story will appear below. Step 5. You'll see a Download button right under the story. Tap on it. As soon as you do, the Instagram story will start downloading. Step 6. To save it properly, tap the three dots on the top right of the page. Then select Download from the menu that appears. Now, go to your phone's gallery, and you'll see the downloaded story there, with music. So by following this process, you can download any Instagram story with music. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel.